Redneck Garage. I'm out here prep, and more prep. Got the hood wet sanded down again, ready to shoot. Got a couple cuts of base coat on it already. It looks really nice. Resanding that down was the right thing to do. I think I'm going to shoot it on just no problem. I got the front side of the tailgate done, and I am sanding on the grill, the fake Jeep grill. Used to, they were metal, now they're plastic. Now, your first question is going to be, oh, you're not going to prime that? I am not going to prime this. I'm going to shoot it with 400 grit roughed up plastic. If it doesn't hold on there, then I'll buy another one and paint it again. But no reason to put primer on a plastic surface that's perfect. I'm just going to give it a little bit of grip to the base coat, and we'll see how that goes. It's either going to do well or not, who knows. But these aren't hard to replace, so screw it. So anyway, I'm going to continue sanding, sweating, and cussing. Alright, a little redneck grill painting. Hopefully the bugs will stay away for a minute. Okay, for the grill, I've got some low gloss sheen polyester clear. It's a 4-to-1 mixture. This should protect the base coat and give it like a little bit of a sheen, but very little, just kind of like the factory one is, I'm hoping. Well, this looks good. I'm waiting for it to dry up, and then I'll put it back in the bag, and it's ready to install. While I was waiting for it to cool off to get the rest of the hood painted, thought I'd come on down here and start disassembling the door panel so I can take it home and paint this door. This will be fun. I got the inner panel out, and it's kind of a modular deal. Not my favorite thing to mess with, to tell you the truth. But I got it all cleared out, and you can see at some point the window in this was broken, and they were able to slide it in from the top evidently and get it to clip in without taking it apart. And the reason I know that is because there's 2 knockout plugs that you have to take out to be able to get to these clips here. They clip in here, and without those knocked out, it's almost impossible to get it out. So anyway, there we go. Now I got to get the glass out and the rubbers off, and then we're about ready to take this back to the house. Okay, I got most of the popcorn glass out. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the van and head on home, so I'll see you there. And I made it back. Tell you, there's more than one ding in this door. I'm going to have to do a little bit of body work on it. And I guess they just threw it on the ground when they went topless. Anyway, just waiting for it to cool down a little bit. I tell you, so far so good. That the base coat looks beautiful. No trash, no anything in it. Looks, turns out really nice. I'm just letting it flash out, and then we'll be clearing it. The base went on really pretty well. The clear, man, I was fighting with bugs. These little bitty black gnats. I don't know where they come from. I don't know where they're at. I guess they're small enough to get through the filters in the paint booth, but I picked a few of those out, and I just fought with that the whole time. So I don't know. I think it came out really well, but the time will tell. In the morning I'm going to let it all dry down, and then we'll take a look at it. Man, I hope I don't have to paint this thing again. Alright, next morning. I think for the most part it looks good. There's some orange peel in it, so to start doing some wet sanding on it, but I don't see that haze in between the white and the clear. I think it's got a lot of clear on it. We'll take a look at it once I get it buffed out, but much happier with this finish than the one before. Alrighty, so overall I think the hood turned out great. It's got a couple little pieces of trash in it. Like I said, those little black bugs drove me absolutely insane. Not a huge amount, maybe, you know, 3 or 4, enough for me to go, oh, there's one. If I really get that involved with it, I can take a little bit of single stage and touch it up. However, I don't think you'll ever notice it whatsoever. I got a little bit more buffing to do, but it's buffing out really, really nice. No haze, it's just a perfect finish. So I will probably buff the crap out of it and we'll be done with the hood. I'm happy about that. Alright, so the hood is going to turn out just fine. With a little bit of trash in there, nothing's perfect. I am happy with it. I think it's going to look absolutely amazing. It's going to have some decals on it, so you know what? Let her rip, Tater Chip. This looks great. Take this and knock it off the bucket list. I got to do the tailgate and start on the doors, and after I get the 2 doors done, then basically do the tub, and then we can start putting it together, and then I can drive it down. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Anyway, that's going to be it for the hood. I'm going to continue polishing. We'll probably have a video about polishing, but this looks absolutely awesome. I am happy with it. I'm going to knock out the tailgate and then start on the doors, man. This is awesome. Keep watching. This Jeep is going to get done, I'm hoping, in short order. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. I'm running this all together. Thank you for subscribing. Keep turning wrenches.